Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to remove the recycle bin from your desktop in Windows 11. If you want a cleaner desktop or don't use the recycle bin icon often, so let's get started. So firstly, right click anywhere on your desktop. Now click on Personalize from the menu. Now here you will see, click on Themes, scroll down, then click on Desktop icon settings. Now here you will see remove the recycle bin icon by uncheck it like this. Simply uncheck the box next to recycle bin, then click on apply, then OK. Now that's it. The recycle bin icon will now disappear from your windows. You will see. If you want to back it again to your desktop, again going to personalize themes, then desktop icon settings, then click on recycle bin, then apply, then OK. Now you will see it will be again back in your desktop. And that's it. That's how you can remove the recycle bin from the desktop in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.